Hi guys, welcome to Model Plastic Kits and Reviews on FBTV Entertainment. I'm Dave Pippin. So, what's happening on FBTV Entertainment? Well, I'll tell you. My last video what I posted on FBTV Entertainment is me travelling to Eastleigh, because I want to show you guys where I buy my model kits from. It's AC Models model shop. But sadly, on the day where I went down there, it was shut, unfortunately. So, instead of going home, I made a day out in Eastleigh, show you shops like TJ Maxx, Sport Direct. So I thought that would be quite nice. But my mate, who lives in Isle of Wight, gave me a message on Facebook, and hopefully you can do that video again when the shop is opened. I said to him, yes, absolutely. I want to show you guys where I buy my model kits from, and other viewers who are watching this channel, FBTV Entertainment. So, no further ado, what's on today? Today is Friday, and I got something special and really rare to find anywhere around the world. So yeah. But before I do, hope you like my new intro. This new intro is specific on Fridays at the moment. No further ado, let's get to it. Here is Revell 59 Chevy Impala hardtop 1:5 scale, and I found this on eBay, just £15 and free postage. So I got a good bargain, and I always wanted this car to go with my collection of Chevys. I do like a picture of it and for art. And there's a project code. Type that in eBay, but type that in first, then that, and hopefully it comes up. So here's the model car pictures on the side of a box. Absolutely beauty. This is the back of a box. Other car models you can get from Revell, but I think this is an old set. I think this came out in 1995, I think, but I have to double check it. This is an instruction manual. It's quite old paper, and like I said, 1995, but it's actually 1996 by Revell AG. Telegrams, how you put the pieces together. And that interior section. So it's quite easy to do. And there's a finish, how it should be when you build it up. So this is the first piece, what comes in with the box. This is a chassis, my demon of my model cars. I can't stand that. It's very hard to connect a body to the chassis. There's a grille, there's a dashboard, wheel bearings or part of a chassis, exhaust pipes. A second piece of the box is interior, where your seats are. These are your front ones, the back. There's your interior panels. There's the back of the seats of the front ones here. So yeah, and these round things are your back wall tyres, my favourite tyres in 1950s and 60s. This is the third piece, where all your engine parts, like your gearbox, these bits, and that, and also suspension, steering wheel, you drive left and right, and also a spare wheel at the back. I didn't know in this kit, I didn't know had a spare wheel. And there are your wheel bearings as well, wheel bearings there. And there's your firewall back of your engine. There's a grille where my thumb is, and side plates or wheel archer plates. So yeah, there's your hood. There's the tyres, 4 wheels. They absolutely look fantastic and smooth and well done. And here's your windows, your front window, your back window, and your headlights, your smoking windows and indicators there. And the fourth plastic is the chrome. This is my favourite part of model cars. There's the front bumper, a back bumper where your spare wheel fits in there. Hubcaps, my favourite piece. More front pieces. There's your backlights, lovely chrome there where my thumb is. And window wipers and smoking windows as well. So it all looks really shiny. And all you've been waiting for is a body, and here she is. Absolutely wonderful. Just look at it. That's the back. There's a trunk. Absolutely wonderful. And there's a lovely chrome headlights and grille. It's absolutely nice. It hasn't got no flash on it on the plastic. It has got a little bit there, but I used a carpet knife to shave it off. So yeah, but I don't know what colour I shall paint it. So that's a difficult decision, because when you paint for model car, it stays like that. So yeah, so there's another look at it. Absolutely wonderful. There's the other side. So yeah, I'm looking forward to build this actually, and also paint it. So yeah. So hopefully you enjoyed this video of Revell 59 Chevy Impala hardtop 1:5 scale. And if you want to see this car completely finished and done and painted, then subscribe to my channel FBTV Entertainment for more future releases. And please do, I don't want you guys to miss out, because this car came out in 1996, so it's quite old model kit. So please press that like button and write your comments down below and subscribe to my channel. So you guys have a nice weekend, and I do believe there's another video coming out tomorrow on my channel about this product, what I bought down easy. Until then, I shall see you next Friday on model plastic kits and reviews. Until then, see you guys soon. Take care.